Hey guys, welcome back to another Hogwarts video. Today we'll be completing some quests over here. Alohamora, which is the lock quest. So yeah, let's go do that. Here we are, let us wait for this person.
Hello again, Mr. Moon.
Oh, I was hoping to see you again, my young friend. Gladwin Moon, Hogwarts caretaker, at your service. First, please allow me to apologize if I seemed a bit unsteady when we last met. I'm afraid I had a rather disconcerting encounter. Although I hear your visit to Hogsmeade was even more eventful than mine.
I suppose you could call it eventful. I certainly wasn't expecting a troll attack.
Oh, of course not. And from what I understand, the village was lucky you were there. In fact, my recent visit to Hogsmeade is the reason I was hoping to bump into you. I could use your help with something. Do you see that curious statue over there? Watch what happens when that light changes from day to night. Now, if you wouldn't mind humoring me for a moment, see if you can remove the moon from the statue. Ooh, odd little contraptions, aren't they? It seems the statue vanishes once the moon is removed, which, incidentally, can only be done at night. Why don't you hold on to that one for now, and I'll explain more as we walk. Ever since that fateful day in the village, those curious statues have begun appearing about the castle. A fair number have been strewn around Hogsmeade. Someone, it seems, is trying to torment me. You see, that day in Hogsmeade, I turned a corner and came face to face with a boggart, or shapeshifter, if you will, which takes the form of whatever scares you most. This one took the form of a demiguise.
A demiguise?
Yes! Terrifying creature that can see the future. Wholly unnerving. I encountered one when I was a lad in Korea. Terrible experience. Those statues are demiguises. The moons, I assume, are an uninspired play on my name. Some jackanapes used a boggart to learn my greatest fear and use it against me. I have my suspicion as to the scoundrel or scoundrels responsible. It is my hope that they will slip up and reveal themselves as the statues disappear. That is why I need your help in removing the statues.
Why me?
A couple of reasons, frankly. First, your daring do against those trolls in Hogsmeade has gained you a reputation for fearlessness. Second, as macabre and hideous as a demiguise is, most would find my fear of them unwarranted. You, however, have seen how they affect me. I'm at my wit's end, young friend. I simply can't bring myself to go near them. In fact, I know of two statues right here in the faculty tower. Perhaps you could start simply by removing them, so I can go about my evening duties.
I'd be glad to help you, Mr. Moon.
Oh, I knew I could count on you. First, you know how to cast a disillusionment charm, correct? You'll want to do that before wandering the tower at night. Next, you'll notice that the door is locked. However will you get in? Alohamora, that's how.
But what about curfew?
Curfew? Oh, tosh. I sense you're a bit like me when I was your age. Oh, the school was my oyster. And I took advantage of it. Oh, everyone loved me for it. Oh, those were the days. Now, you'll find one statue in the prefect's bathroom and the other in the hospital wing. Good luck. Oh, and thank you.
Well, it's a complicated one.
Alohamora.
Oh, I don't need to equip it. Ooh, lockpicking time? There we go, we got it.
Well done! You're in! Remember, use a disillusionment charm so no one claps eyes on you. This is a restricted area of the castle, after all.
Yep. Disillusionment charm. Cast Revelia. Oh, I already knew that.
Revelio.
What is this? Reminder to staff. The Hogwarts house elves do an exceptional job of keeping the castle in order. They are seldom unprepared for any number of items that might encounter each day. However, only the other day, an unexpected stash of wizarding crackers went off from behind a cushion. The cacophony was most untoward, engulfing one poor elf in blue smoke and giving those of us nearby an abominable ringing in our ears for the rest of the day. I expect that the culprit was Peeves. Please keep an eye out and be careful. Matilda Weasley, Deputy Headmistress. Why would she leave it right there on that random table?
Protego!
Oh, you can't see me. Darn it, I cast Protego. That's not my fault. Alright, let's try that again. We have money, and that's about it.
How are your students getting along this year?
Rather poorly, I'd say.
Is that so?
We're raising a generation of coddled cape flappers that can scarcely tell the difference between aconite and asphodel.
Yes, well, it's still early. Perhaps they'll improve.
Ooh, that's Professor Weasley.
You say that every year, Matilda.
Go over there. I want to get into the door. Go over there. Why are you still here?
You've no business being in the faculty tower.
I got caught again. Darn it. Yeah, let's just do the quest. Oh, here we go.
This must be the prefect's bathroom.
The lockpicking section.
Are preparing for a rebellion. Stirring up trouble. Perhaps Ranrock and Hislop wouldn't be so combative if the Ministry would allow them to have war. one of those goblins comes near me, I'll hand him his hat. Or helm, I suppose.
There we go, we got another one.
I don't think that's what that class is for. He's right. Why don't you leave goblins alone, troll? How dare you speak to a prefect that way? I'm a prefect too. On another adventure, are we?
Oh, there's another one up there.
Back here.
Oh, they saw that. Well, we can be very stealthy about this. That is not very stealthy. Oh my gosh.
I had planned to bet a few galleons on Hufflepuff this season. I had planned to bet a few galleons on Hufflepuff this season.
Hufflepuff? Not Ravenclaw?
I know when I see a winning bet, and Ravenclaw would not have been that.
What was that?
What was what?
I thought I heard something. Perhaps trolls. Anyway, I had high hopes for Hufflepuff. I was finally going to learn
The majestic.
Revelio.
Unicorn fountain. The majestic unicorn fountain gives an air of serenity and calm to the hospital wing at Hogwarts.
Confringo.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
Hello, Mr. Moon. I have the moons you asked me to collect.
Oh goodness, you're as fearless as I'd hoped. An excellent start. If we can collect more, it may shed some light on who's behind all this. Of course, I first suspected Peeves. He drove the previous caretaker, Rancorous Carp, to an early retirement with his intolerable buffoonery. But that does not explain the boggart in Hogsmeade, does it? No. I am determined, with your help, to discover the identity of my tormentor.
It's definitely intriguing. I'd like to help you solve this mystery.
You, my friend, are a gentle person and a scholar, and I have something to offer in exchange for your assistance. Now, remember, the moons are only retrievable at night. Thus, I encourage you to use a disillusionment when necessary.
Understood. I shall keep an eye out.
I appreciate that. We are fortunate. Oh, and I knew you were the one to ask for help. Keep at it so we can solve this mystery.
I will. I'll try. Alright, now time to start another quest. Hold on. Hogsmeade map. Learn Depulso. Oh, I need to learn Depulso. Hold on. Quest. Depulso. Oh wow, there's quite a lot of side quests. Alright, acquire Focus Potion, acquire Maxima and Endurance Potions, and use them simultaneously. Okay. Let's go do that. I think, oh, well, what was that? I think that, to get Endurance Potions, we need some seeds, so we should probably wait till morning or daytime, and then we should probably go to Hogsmeade to grab some seeds, and then we can go to the Room of Requirement and grow them.
Sometimes it seems all roads lead to Hogsmeade.
Welcome. Come on in. Now, where was I? Right. Oh, yes.
Fluxweed, not grass. Oh, sweet. Healing, focus potion, fluxweed seeds. Alright, let's fast travel to the Room of Requirement and see how to brew some of these potions, because I don't know how to do it. Is it here? Nope. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
I've always said that travel broad.
Let's see, bell tower. Nope. Grand staircase. Nope. Great hall. Nope. Library. Potions, classroom, secret rooms, room of requirement. And let's try to do some brewing. Titany leaves. We have that. What does this do again? Oh, it's facing the wrong way, isn't it? Wickenweld, Endurus, Ashwinder eggs. And then Maxima potion is bought from J. Pippin's Potions. I need Ashwinder eggs. And I need to also buy this, and I need to go to J. Pippin's Potions and Focus Potion and Maximum Potion. We gotta go to J. Pippin's Potions. How do I fix this? It's over here, and then it's this one, maybe? Wait, hold on. Oh no. This one, maybe? Not that one. Maybe this one. Oh, and then this one. Potions. This. And there we go. Now it's the right way around. Much better. We also need Ashwinder eggs, which I can probably get from J. Pippin's Potions. And then we need this and this. Got it. Alright, back to Hogsmeade. Oh, it'd be so convenient if we could do this in real life and you just had and try to find J. Pippin's Potions. Oh, I remember how I found it last time. I had to follow the signs near
Does it get any more cozy than Hogsmeade?
Hogsmeade Square, the center of Hogsmeade. Where's the center of Hogsmeade actually? So we're there, and then this is Hogsmeade Square. Oh, stop and pet the cat, as always. Hello. Hello, cat. Now we head up to Hogsmeade Square. And there was a sign somewhere around here. It was like, yeah, over here, I think. J. Pippin's Potions.
Oh, did you want
And you had to keep on going, and then there would be another sign somewhere, and there we go. We found it.
We We have everything a young student might need when it comes to potions. Have a good look around. What can I do for you today?
Let's see. Invisible Maxima. I need
A
that.
wise decision. Thank you.
Focus Potion. Focus Potion is so much. I can get Ashwinder eggs though. Do I have anything to sell? I can sell this.
Very good. Never hurts to keep my stocks replenished.
I can sell this because it says it's down. I can sell this. And I'm pretty sure all my other stuff is better than this. There we go, and now I can spend everything I just sold to get the focus potion.
A wise decision. Thank you.
And now we can, I know it feels like a lot of back and forth, but now we can teleport to the secret rooms. Room requirement. Where did I put it? Oh yeah, over here. Can make Endurance Potion. 30 seconds. And now over here, I'm too impatient to wait. So let's make another one. Because I don't feel like waiting. Maxima Potion. Another 30 seconds, and then this should be done. And then we can make Focus Potion, and we need to go back to J. Pippin's Potions to get a Dug Bog ton. Is there any other way to make money? I don't think I can afford that. Maybe I could find it in the wild, but oh yeah, hold on, let's craft some Wigan Wild potions just because I need more. Not this one, the other one. We got the Maxima Potion. Let's just make another Wigan Wild potion. And then this should be done, and then we can check. I need Dug Bog Tongue. Alright, Dug Bog Tongue. Oh, actually, can I sell stuff? Well, I do kind of want Moonstone. Oh, you're still here? Hello. Alright, let us head to Hogsmeade. Let's see, where was I heading again? Right over here.
Hello there. In the market for potions, are we?
Yes.
What can I do for you today?
I need this. Oh, 100. Can I do...
I hope to see you again. Farewell for now.
Can I do, like... something for
Hello,
money?
Mr. Pippin. You need help with a delivery?
Yes, I do. A capable student such as yourself should have no trouble making the trip to Cambridge. It's just south of Hogwarts.
What do you need delivered?
Fatima Lawang ordered a few invisibility potions. I used to go myself, but lately Fatima has taken to turning every visit into an argument. Constantly complaining about the quality of my stock. But how can I maintain excellence when she orders so often, giving me no time to brew? If you take this rather irritating task off my hands, I'd happily allow you to claim the delivery fee from Fatima.
I'd be happy to help with the delivery.
You've no idea how grateful I am, truly. Here are the invisibility potions she requested. Hopefully she won't give you too much trouble. She's a talented potioneer in her own right. I dare say I wouldn't mind having a look at her potion recipes one day.
Oh yeah, let's do this now.
Revelli.
It's just through the forest. Wow, this was a really long travel. Oh, what's that? Almost there.
Confringo. Expelliarmus. Levioso. Accio. Protego. Confringo.
Oh, I don't like that noise.
Levioso. Expelliarmus. Accio. Confringo.
There it is. I can almost see it. Wow. So beautiful.
New instruments are expensive.
It's like a place right out of a storybook.
Always late, that Pippin.
Madam Luang, I have a delivery from J. Pippin's potions.
Sent a child to do his work for him, did he? Always cutting corners and taking the easy way out. Did he have you brew them for him as well? Doesn't matter. You could probably do it better than he can anyway.
Why do you keep ordering from him if you think the quality to be inferior?
It would seem I have more and more customers who are trying to stay out of sight. I'm not one to judge. You can simply imagine the stress I'm under to deliver quality products. Unlike some vendors, I strive to keep my customers satisfied.
Here are the potions you requested.
You think it's so simple? I know Pippin is always trying to cheat his customers. Cutting corners to save some galleons for himself at the expense of quality. You'll not be getting a canut out of me until you prove the potion works. Drink it.
Seems simple enough. I'll do it.
I should think so.
Is that really how you pronounce it? A canut? I thought it was just a nut. Because KN. How do I drink the potion? I think. Oh, tab. Yeah. Let's see.
It seems to have worked.
Well, I suppose that will do.
If the demand for potions is as high as you say, have you considered being easier to work with? Perhaps combining your recipes and skills?
Not a chance. That ne'er-do-well had his shop handed to him. The rest of us had to make our own way. I'll not give him the benefit of my hard work and gumption. If he fails on his own, so be it.
Very well. I shall let Mr. Pippin know I delivered the potions as requested.
You do that.
What do you have for sale?
What are we looking for today?
Oh, there's not a lot of stuff here.
Thank you for stopping in. I appreciate it.
Wait, you never gave me the money. Oh, Pippin's probably gonna give it to me. Why'd I open here?
Welcome. Do let me know if I can be of any assistance at all.
I delivered the potions to Fatima Luang.
Very good. And did she cause you any trouble?
I can see why you didn't want to go. She was quite cantankerous.
I do truly appreciate your help. And at least it's done with.
Delivering those potions was a bit more work than I'd expected. I'd like an additional fee.
I suppose that's business for you. Very well, I shall increase your pay, but I'm not at all pleased about it.
Best of luck with your potions, Mr. Pippin.
Do take care.
Did you give me my money? Oh, 500. Thank you.
What can I do for you today?
500. 500 what? Galleons? That's a lot, actually.
A wise decision. Thank you. I hope to see you again. Farewell for now.
Now we can go to the room of requirement and then we can make the potion. Oh, yes, over here. Interact, focus potion. 1 minute. In the meantime, let us brew a Wiggenweld potion because I want to, and I need more. Focus potion. Now let's head to the quests. Where was it? Quests? Sharps. Acquire and use a focus potion. Okay. Sure. Focus potion right here. I think. Oh yeah. And use them simultaneously. Recipe Maxima and Durus. Wait, no, this is. How do I use them simultaneously?
Confringo! Levioso! Expelliarmus! Confringo!
How do I use them simultaneously? I kind of don't want to mess it up, because then I'd have to go and buy the ingredients again.
You've been practicing.
Maxima, that's not that bad. That's not that bad to buy.
Excellent.
Oh, whoa. I'm stoned. Oh, wait, hold on. There's a window in here. I thought that oh. Oh, listen to the footsteps. Attention to detail. Yeah, actually, let's just use the map. Let's see. Great Hall. Nope, not here. Hold on, let's see. Let's go to quests. Sharp's assignment, track quest. Map. And then we should be able to find it. Oh, right here. We can just do this and then do this. And then we can get the Pulso, and then we can do the main quests. That's the plan.
Oceans when Professor Sharp is so
How are your assignments coming along?
I completed your assignments, Professor.
Good. You should be ready to learn Depulso. Let's see what you can do. Concentrate. Do not let your mind wander. You've got it now.
Revelio.
If you'd like to practice, and I think you should.
Professor Sharp's Auror Badge. Auror is comprised of Ministry's magical law enforcement and protect the wizarding world from all sorts of threats, particularly those posed by dark magic. This Auror Badge belongs to Professor Sharp. Interesting.
Best not to go flinging you.
Where is it? Right here. Oh, where should we put it? I guess we don't really need 2 of the red spells. But then again, we don't need 2 of the purple spells. And Expelliarmus is kind of useful. Hold on, let's replace
The halls.
that.
I
and then-
suggest having you in. Well done. I'm glad to see that you seem staunchly determined to master your spellcasting. Still at it, I see. Well, repetition can be an excellent teacher.
Oh, that seems pretty useful. Okay, main quests.
Hello there. Nice to see you.
Hello, Miss Ryan. I wanted to thank you again for your help with Rookwood and Harlow the day of the troll attack.
Serona, please. And I was happy to help. Oh, those two are nothing but trouble. Glad you and your friend were here when they found you.
I am too. You were speaking to a goblin here that day.
Yes, Lodgok. He's a friend.
It seems as though you were on good terms with him.
I've known him for years. We met when I was waiting tables here as a student, well before I bought the place. He was cordial enough, but we weren't friends then. His mistrust of wizard kind ran deep.
But you're friends now?
We are. Hadn't seen him in years when he came in a few months ago. But he recognized me instantly, which is more than I can say for some of my own classmates. Took them a second to realize I was actually a witch, not a wizard. Not all goblins are like Ranrock and his loyalists. Lodgok is as worried as the rest of us about what's been going on.
In that case, I'd like to talk with him, about Ranrock in particular. Where might I find him?
I assume your interest is to do with the rumors I've heard about Ranrock working with our friend Rookwood.
It is.
If he's not here, you might find him doing business at the Hog's Head. He's a trusted metal trader. You should mention that we spoke. He can, understandably, be wary of witches and wizards, even ones as young as you. That said, if you're looking for information on Ranrock to help rein him in, you'll find an ally in Lodgok.
Thank you, Serona.
If you find Lodgok, please give him my best. I don't know what you've done to make such powerful enemies, but please, watch your back.
I will. Let's equip the chopping cabbage.
Welcome to the Hog's Head. Any empty seat is yours.
Hello, Lodgok. Serona said I might find you here.
She did she? Did she send you with news?
No, actually, I wanted to speak with you. It's about Ranrock.
Now I remember. The 3 broomsticks. Day of the troll attack. You're the student he's after.
I am, and I need to know what he and his loyalists are up to so I can stay a step ahead.
Let's say I did know. Why should I trust you?
Serona trusts me, and she thought our interests may be aligned.
Well, if Serona trusts you, very well. I may know of something that could help us both. A way to get Ranrock to confide his plans to me.
I'm listening.
Years ago, a heinous witch stole a sacred goblin relic. Rumor has it that it now rests in her sarcophagus, in a tomb accessible only by wizard kind. Ranrock and I had a falling out a while back. The relic could well repair the chasm between us.
Very well. I'll retrieve the relic if you promise to share Ranrock's plans with me.
We will have to trust each other. I, that you will not abscond with the relic, and you, that I'll share what I learn. Gather whatever supplies you may need, and meet me near the witch's tomb.
Well, I have 9 Wicked Wild potions, so I should be fine.
I'm ready.
Oh
Good.
wow, I
There's
got
no
here
time
quick.
to lose.
Got here quicker than I did.
What precisely is the relic I'm to retrieve?
A valuable heirloom known as the Helmet of Erdgot. The witch considered herself a collector and purchased the helmet as a trinket. She cared not what pain she caused the goblins. Goblins believe that the rightful owner of any object is its maker, not its purchaser.
Wizard kind see things differently. It's a wonder goblins and wizards have ever been able to work together.
The differences between our kinds are myriad.
They seem to be.
It may surprise you to know that I do not believe those differences always to be insurmountable. It is the reason I find myself traveling with you to this tomb today.
Alright guys, I think I will be ending this video here. So in the next video we will be entering the witch's tomb and getting that relic. Alright, bye.